In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your RNode to your phone that's using the Sideband app. Before we start this video, I need to explain how the Bluetooth function works on the RNode. This way you don't go crazy trying to figure out why it keeps turning off on you when you're trying to get it to pair. If the Bluetooth symbol looks like a bunch of dots, that means the Bluetooth is off. If the Bluetooth symbol is filled in, that means it's on. It's not paired. Now you could toggle between on and off just by tapping the boot button once. If the Bluetooth symbol is solid, but it has a dotted line going through it, that means it's in pairing mode. Now, to get it in pairing mode so you can connect to it, you need to hold down the boot button for over 5 full seconds. If you hold it down and let go at 4.9 seconds, it will just turn the device off. So anything between holding the button from 2 seconds to 4.9 seconds will turn it off. Now, in the Sideband app, you're going to see a button here under hardware and RNode to pair a Bluetooth device. It doesn't really work. You have to do the pairing the old-fashioned way. Just go to your Android settings, click on Bluetooth, and start the pairing process that way. Now, just one more note before we start the pairing process. If you do get your device into pairing mode, it has that little line going through it, you have about like 20 seconds before it goes back to just the standby mode. So what I recommend you doing is just waiting until your phone is actively looking for a new device to connect to and then putting your RNode into pairing mode. Now that all that's out of the way, now let's start the pairing process. First thing you're going to do is go to your Android device that has the Sideband app and just go to your Bluetooth settings and pair a new Bluetooth device. At this time, put your RNode into pairing mode. Now on your Android device, you should see something that says RNode on it with a bunch of numbers or letters. Go ahead and click on that and put in the pairing code that you have that the device is showing. Again, you got about 20 seconds before it goes back to the default standby mode, so make sure you do it quick. Once you successfully paired, you need to reopen the Sideband app. Make sure you restart it if you haven't already, or just open it up now. Now, in my previous video, I went over all the configurations that you needed to do to get the Bluetooth functionality to work properly. So make sure you watch the video before this if you're having problems with your connection. And if you did follow my instructions from the last video, you'll see that icon on your device now, and it's showing that it's connected. Now we're gonna go see and make sure that in the app, it recognizes that you're connected to your node. So go ahead and click on conversations. And there's a little triangle looking thing. Click on that and you'll see that it's on air. That means that your device is active. Now you're almost done. You just need to announce your presence on the network. And by doing that, you click on that little button right here and you click on OK. And now the devices on the network can see you. Now, if you want to understand why you need to announce your presence, there's a whole video I have dedicated explaining how Reticulum works and how awesome the announce feature actually is. It uses things called cryptographic identities, and it's just really cool. I highly recommend checking out how Reticulum works. It's a true decentralized off-grid network that can work on multiple mediums, not just LoRa. So I look forward to building more Reticulum videos in the future. So this is the last video of the series of getting you started on your phones with LoRa and the Heltec V3s or V4s. So I'm pretty excited to see what comes next after this. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope that all these videos I made help you get started with Reticulum. I look forward to making some really cool projects out of this stuff and even doing bridging this internationally and stuff like that. There's so much that you can do with this decentralized off-grid network. Very exciting discovery. And the more I learn about it, the more I'm falling in love with it. Definitely go check out that first video explaining what Reticulum actually is. So you'll appreciate it like I do. But for now, do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.